Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to know that how to run cash flow report in QuickBooks, then here's the step-by-step guide that how you can run a cash flow report in QuickBooks Online. This is perfect for business owners who want to track how money is moving in and out of their business. So here's the steps to run the cash flow report. First, log into your QuickBooks Online using your login credentials. Then navigate to the reports. Here it is. Now once you are on your reports, you can find this search for cash flow report. In the search bar at the top, type the cash flow report from here. So you can simply search for it, or you can go to the standard report where you can type for cash flow. Here is the statements of cash flows. So once you have typed for cash statements of cash flows, the official name for the cash flow reports, simply click on it. Once you have clicked on it, it will open the statement of cash flow report. So set the date range. So from here you can find the date range here, like report period, and the date range from here. You can click on the calendar where you can set the date range from here. Also click on calendar to the last date here. So once you have set the range of date here, you can display like columns by total only, or days, weeks, months, quarter, years, or customers, suppliers, stores, product, service. And then also you can active the row decks, so show the rows active and show the column active. Make sure you have selected both of these to get the proper information. Now once you have get it set the date range and customize the report, you can click on customize at the top right to filter by customer or class here, class, location, and add or remove columns, just like I show you. So once you have done it, run and review the report. Click on run report at the bottom. Here you can find the button, and also you can find the button here, the run report. So once you have clicked on it to apply your filters to view report, it will show like operating activities, like cash from sales and expenses, like investing activities, that is purchases or sales of assets, or financing activities like loans or repayments. Now you can export this for sharing or record keeping by simply click on this print button here, or you can send it to email where you can send it to your email, or you can save it as PDF. You can simply click on save it as PDF and it will show you the record, so you can keep it for the further records. Now that's how you can easily run a cash flow or get a cash flow report on QuickBooks. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.